Stocks starting the day lower, but clawing their way back right now. The Dow and S&P are both in the green. The Nasdaq just shy of that. Investors digesting the margin call meltdown and rates that continue to rise. Let's talk about where we go from here. Joining me now, Barry James, president of James Investment Research, and Alan Boomer, chief investment officer at Momentum Advisors. Guys, good afternoon. Alan, does this Archegos situation shift at all the way you look at investing for the year?
Thanks for having me. No, not for the year. I think it just highlights an area that might need some additional regulation. You know, when you think about Bill Wang, I mean, for one, he was able to skate some regulations by, number one, registering as a family office. Number two, he's involved in swaps, which are not required in 13F filings. And so the market kind of did not know what this guy was up to, even though we do know that he was confirmed to have done insider trading, you know, almost 10 years ago, right? And so this is, I think, a one-off, but I think it will impact regulations moving forward, or it should. And I think, you know, some of the investment banks, you know, were a little lax with regards to their risk management and their own hedging. And so it's a blip. I don't think this is a major thing, but certainly it's causing some downside and maybe some buying opportunities in the market right now.
Well, let's talk about buying opportunities. Barry was just talking to Herb Greenberg, who was saying that maybe some fundamentals, some sense of that coming back into the market. Do you think that's happening? And if so, what does it mean for how you need to analyze stocks?
Yeah, if you're going to be in Shark Week, like we are in this situation, you want a nice big boat. And the boat that I would be going around in is one that is focused on value and the cyclical nature of the economy right now, and even smaller stocks, the things that have been ignored for so long. Since October, we've really seen value really outperform, whereas it was, you know, on a difference basis down 30% compared to growth last year. So those would be the things that I would be looking at. So small, I like Innova. Medium, I like Pioneer Natural Resources. And large, I like Caterpillar. All in that cyclical realm. A little bit on the finance side, the oil side, and of course mining. So those are all really strong. We have those in our Golden Rainbow Fund. So we got a lot of belief in them.
Yeah, Alex.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.